Welcome students, this is our third 3D modeling video tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to start modeling your room. What I'm going to show right now is just how to start modeling that room by putting a floor and minimum 2 walls. After that, I just show you how to make something in that place, okay, inside the room, and that's it. The challenge of today's class is that you gotta show me most of the room that you brought for today in a 2D blueprint, but this time modeled in 3D. Okay, so let's get started. What you have to do right now is to maximize the perspective viewport, or you can also work on the top viewport and maximize it. I'm planning to hide this grid with the letter G, or if you want you can keep it. I'm going to take the plane option tool in the standard primitives, and holding control I'm going to make one plane. If you don't wanna like see the shape like this, remember that we can change the preview mode by hitting by clicking in wireframe and put it in shaded. Okay, if I wanna switch to another viewport without getting out this one, what I have to do is to hit the letter, okay, the initial of the viewport that I need to go. In this case I want to go to perspective, so I'm gonna hit the letter P on my keyboard. Okay, and then I start panning by moving my mouse, holding the scroll of my mouse and holding the Alt key at the same time and moving the mouse. If you want, you can hide the grid by hitting the letter G, and okay, we're ready. We already have the floor. Now we need 2 walls here. Okay, 2 walls. For the walls, I'm going to use today the box option. There are more options to make a box, to make walls, but I'm going to use this one, box. Okay, I can do it here on the perspective, or I can go again to top viewport. If I want to go to the top viewport, the only thing I have to do is to hit the letter T and zoom out a little, moving the scroll, and okay, we're ready. I'm going to click and hold to make the box. When I finish this, the width, I'm going to release the mouse and I'm going to move it up, and if you see here in height, I'm going to pick one height. Click when you finish, go to perspective, and you have one wall. If you think that it's too short, hit the letter R, the scale tool, and from the Z axis you can make it higher. Now I need exactly the same wall, okay, as this one, but here. How do I do it? An easier way. I'm going to duplicate it. I'm going to hit the letter E, that's the rotate tool, and I'm going to rotate it. But this time, first I hold shift and I rotate it. If you see, we have a number here. That number indicates the degrees that, or the coordinates I'm moving that wall. I need to rotate that 90 degrees. Okay, if I cannot get exactly the same, the 90, minus 90 or positive 90 degrees, I release that and hit OK, and I can come down here to a Z axis and type exactly the same, the number that I need, 90. Hit enter. Okay, you already have that the way you want it. One more thing, we need to move it. I prefer to move it in the top viewport. Hit the letter T, then the W to select, to move this. Just move it in the X axis and then in the Y axis, and if you want you can zoom in a little. Okay, move these walls like this. Okay, and Go to perspective, and we're done. Okay, we have a floor and two walls. Okay, if I want to group these two walls, I select one first, then hold the control button and click on the second one. Now they are only one, but there is one thing missing. Go to group, group, and let's call this walls. Hit enter. Now it's only one option. Okay, that's it. Okay, now what? It's up to you. Remember, you had to design a 2D blueprint, okay, of your room. You need to start modeling, even using only, just for today, only standard primitives, the things that you have inside that room. For example, let's say I want to make a bed. Okay, so I go to standard primitives. I prefer to use this one, extended primitives, for the shape that I need. Okay, the chamfer box. I'm going to design a mattress for my bed. So I already have the mattress. Then I have to make the base and the back and the legs and all the things that I need. Okay, so I hope you can you have understood this video, that you like the video, and that you can complete today's goal. Thank you so much. See you next time.